You can't be reminded often enough that Houston once famously insisted that a lawyer is either a social engineer or a parasite on society. And we take this insight to heart. Now, I'm not a lawyer, but I find Houston's admonition applicable across the spectrum of careers. We must all locate ourselves somewhere on that continuum between social engineer and parasite. I challenge each of you to ask yourself how you define justice and make that your guiding star, regardless of what branch of law you pursue. I would only ask that as you do so, you eliminate the term criminal justice from consideration. I have written on this topic elsewhere, but will simply say that the term itself triggers long existing associations between Blackness and criminality that we must begin to sever by finding a new language. After subjecting myself to this exercise of reflecting on the meaning of justice, I have come to understand justice as meaning to be made whole. It surely has a certain resonance with the law, which you probably recognize, but also with public health, which we see as the most important guiding force for understanding the needs of our communities. This perspective from community health and the social determinants of health opens, and justice as being made whole, opens new vistas and points for us in a different direction from that we've engaged. It recognizes that there are instances of harm that require attention and action. Yes, it's true. But that attention must have an affirmative rather than merely punitive aspect. To be made whole orients us toward repair and restoration rather than crime and criminalization.